Hey, what's up, folks? I want to give a quick review of the Armorlite flooring system for the LJ TJ. This is a new product offered from Armorlite that offers up to 140 degree insulation from heat in the floor pan. So I had a problem with that, with the headers for my my LS motor touching the bottom of my floor pan in just about a ½ inch of a spot, and that was enough to create enough heat transfer to melt your flip-flops and bottom of your boots. So this is something I was really excited to get in. The insulation here is pretty thick. It's a polyester material underneath the thick plastic piece, and it's altogether about let's say about a ½ inch thick. I had to modify this greatly to fit my Jeep because I already have a bed liner in. The instructions say that could throw off your angles a bit because depending on how much buildup you have. I'm running a Genrite roll cage, so I had to do some cutting to get around that, and I'm running the Genrite center console, so I couldn't really fit this up under the center console because that ½ inch thickness would put me too tied up in the dashboard area, dash area. I also had to just take out a pocket knife and cut this whole strip off across here, but they do have some really nice slots prefabricated into the system to fit around factory seat mounts. I'm running extensions off of my roll cage. My seats are actually mounted to the roll cage instead of to the floor plan. So mine's a little bit different, and I'm still working on brackets. So it's look pretty ghetto, but it works until I can figure out something else. But yeah, overall, I think this is a really nice product. The fit is really nice, and if you have a factory TJ or LJ, it's going to fit like a glove in there. If you have aftermarket roll cage, center console, seat brackets, and things like that, you're going to have to take a pocket knife out, really sharp pocket knife, and do some trimming like I did, and discard what you don't need. I'm sure I violated their lifetime warranty by doing that, but this serves my mission, my purpose of reducing heat. It also reduces road noise quite a bit, but I don't really worry about that with what I'm running here. So yeah, it looks like a really great product, and I'm super happy to try it out on the trail and see how it works out.